Hi you guys, this is Jeanette with Inspirational Design. I wanted to share with you the little wagon that I got at the thrift store for pennies and how I redid that and put it together for the fall through Thanksgiving and all. It's the centerpiece on my kitchen table, and the little guy there, the little character, he's an owl. He's a pumpkin, and I got him at General Dollar Store. And the little pumpkins I got at the Dollar Tree, and all that stuff is basically, just from the Dollar Tree. And the little truck, I had bought him at a antique store. So I put this together, and I thought it turned out pretty cute. And also there's the pumpkin that I did too on my video. You can look back. I did that out of drop cloth strings. Put it together. So I thought that just turned out very cute. I hope that you all like it and leave me comments. Please talk to me and let me know what you think. Anyhow, I'm going to put this up on YouTube. I'm on Instagram as well, Jeanette's Inspirational Design, as well as on YouTube. And give me a thumbs up and subscribe and leave me comments. That would be great. So I just wanted to share with y'all today a little bit on what I've been doing. And also I'm going to be bringing a video soon on the mantle and different little areas. I don't decorate a whole lot for the fall, but I do more Christmas. But anyways, I just wanted to share this with y'all, show you how cute this turned out. And I hope that you all have a good day, and I will be talking to you later. Bye-bye.